is up, different gang? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I'm making a video that probably has terrible lighting and like a terrible background, but I'm in my bathroom, and that is because I'm going to be testing out the spa mask that I just got in my Ipsy bag a couple days ago. And this is the deep sea mud mask. Let me see if it'll focus. And I kind of read the instructions on my Make Ipsy bag video, and I'll just link that video like on my end screen or just in a card up there so that y'all can check it out. But I'll kind of be going over it anyways because that's the whole point of this video. So yeah, the first thing first, the step I have to do is to wash my hands. You're always supposed to wash your hands when it comes to anything cleaning your face, because you don't want the nasty germs in your hands to get in your face. So that is exactly what I'm about to do. So my hands are all clean. That's great. That's good. No germs. So the next thing I want to do is just wipe the rest of my makeup, because I just want to have a clear face, clean hands, clean face. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'm just using my makeup remover wipes because I didn't really have a lot of makeup on anyway. And of course I use the same makeup wipes as always, which is my exfoliating makeup wipes, the Up and Up brand from Target. So now that my face is all clear and hands is clean, face is clean, I'm ready to try out the mask. And I'm about to read the directions in my head. And it doesn't say like to have a damp face or nothing, so I'm gonna just put it on. It just says apply a thin layer onto the face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Ugh, look at that color. Color is disgusting. I'm not really sure what it smells like, but let me just... This is just how much I'm about to put on now that I look like the Hawk. Ooh, I got some on my nose. But it says leave it on for 15 minutes. What time is it? It is 8:48, so 15 minutes will be 9:03 is when I'll come back. Bye. Alright, so it's 9:04, so it was like 16 minutes. Who's to say like that I started right on 58? But I'm about to just get a warm washcloth and wiping this off. Kind of have to hurry up because I have a guest over. So I'm done wiping the mask off. Feel like it, but it could just be like the, what do you call it, like the placebo effect when you do a mask or when you do anything, and it's like in your mind that's supposed to help your skin look clear, but really, even though it might not, your mind is telling you that it is. So I feel like my skin is clear, and I'm waiting for it to dry off so I can feel like the softness in my face. And I most definitely feel like I need a moisturizer. I don't know if it's just like the mask drying me out, or if it's just simply I just wipe my face with water and water kind of dries out your skin. So But that is all that I have to say for this video. Thank you so much for watching my review video. I love you guys so much. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, please subscribe. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.